What legacy or lasting impact do you hope to leave personally on the built environment?
I think perhaps a couple of ideas come to mind. One is the climate emergency is crucial. So I would like to think that a good contributor to this, and I'll try my best for that to be the case. The second one is more about architectural philosophy, the actual trend with lots of competition, but they are quite short in time, so you need to run. Sometimes one may feel the temptation to use catchy concepts, something which is easy to sell. I would like to think that I'll engage myself in continuing doing an architecture which has depth, that it goes beyond a certain shape which should be appealing or a certain concept that can be catchy, and that I can help RPBW to keep doing an architecture that has a depth, that has a richness. Sometimes I think of it as a bit like there's the fast food and there's a bit the fast architecture, in the sense that McDonald's may not be very good, but it's easy to eat. And architecture may be a bit the same. So you may have some sort of gestures which may be efficient in the short term, but I think in architecture we are looking for something else, for something that goes beyond that, for something that is timeless and brings quality to the people, which at the end of the day is what we are here for.
Yeah, okay, beautiful.